How can you sync books on the iPhone and iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So at first, make sure both the iPhone and iPad are using the same Apple account. So you can open up your settings, and at the top of the list, you can see your name, the profile picture, and also the account, like the email being used. You want to make sure that it's used the same way on both devices, which is likely the case, but you need to make sure. And since we are here in this settings, part of this profile, we can go to the iCloud. And if you have iCloud enabled, which you most likely do, you need to go through the All Apps. So click on the See All Apps, and you want to find the Apple Books in here, and you want to make sure that it is turned on, not only on one device, but also on the other as well. It just means that the Books app gets synced over the internet, over iCloud, and if you purchase a book on the iPad, it's going to appear on the iPhone as well, and vice versa. Same thing for deleting or organizing, whatever, it should be synced. Of course, it's over the internet, so if you, for example, go to the airplane mode on the iPad and turn off Wi-Fi, whatever, and you perform some changes, it's not gonna happen on the iPhone instantly because it has to be synced over the internet only. And yeah, after you connect to the internet, it should happen. So that's how it works. In case of any additional questions, leave them below. Subscribe for more tech videos and stuff like this in the future, and I'll see you later.